So I'll be showing you how to customize the shortcut on your Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. The shortcut is basically a long press on this button at the top of the barrel of either side. And so you can customize those shortcuts by simply launching the Bose app. Okay, so if you launch the Bose app and then open up your Open Earbuds Ultra, you can see there's a shortcut option here. So let me just close this. Tap on it, and then you have the left shortcut and the right shortcut. So the left shortcut is the button on the left side, and the right one is the button on the right side. So you can see it's currently set to cycle through modes. So which means if I long press on this button, it's going to cycle through the different modes. I can choose something different. So for instance, I can choose to cycle through the immersive audio options, or I can choose to have it switch devices, or I can choose to have it access my phone's default voice assistant. So depending on what I want, let's say I want to change it to change immersive audio or to switch devices. Maybe I've connected this to more than one device, maybe my computer and my phone, and I want to quickly switch devices. I can just press on the button, and then when I long press on it, it's gonna automatically switch the connection, the active connection, to the other device or something else. So that's basically how to customize the shortcut of your Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. And I can have a different shortcut on the left and a different one on the right hand side earbud. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.